We've worked on automating processes all across our PT solutions over the years, but one of our earliest, I want to say our third customer ever on PT workflow is actually one of our bigger success stories. As an upstream oil and gas company, this customer was seeking a solution to streamline the moving of assets from one well to another or to and from the warehouse. The solution they were using was emails and spreadsheets. Then they would email the transfers to their accounting department to record in the accounting system. This left obvious holes as well as multiple reconciliations. And of course, the chance that there was a transfer that was, forgotten or processed too late. They really needed something to connect the field to the warehouse all the way through to the accounting department. Not only did PT Workflow provide that streamlined communication, but the field now has the ability to leverage their phone to make requests for transfers and assets instead of waiting till they're at a desk, which actually speeds up the turnaround time that transfers usually take. The warehouse is no longer managing an impossible spreadsheet, and with integration, the accounting system is up to date as soon as anything is approved. So communication, faster, multiple reconciliations, eliminated. What do we have? A very happy customer.